Assalamu alaikum. As you know, you are continuously connected to me in the chapter polynomial, class 10, and subject is given or topic is continuously going on polynomial. In the previous video, we solved the same exercise 3.4, question number 1. In the previous revision, I am given here question number 1. Find out the roots of the quadratic equations by perfect squaring. Totally difference way is there. I am completed only one question is there. Now I am going to the next. You can see this is the book I have and the exercise same is there. Question number 2. I am reading here. Find the roots of following quadratic equation if they exist. Yes. What is the question number 2? Find the roots. Find the roots. Polynomial कौन सा है? Quadratic. Quadratic equation. If exist, condition applies there. If exist, first we want to check using. Now method is also given. Method, with method Sridharacharya. This is the formula. SHRI Sri Dhara TDHAR Dhara Sridhara Acharya. Now look this line. This is a formula. We using this formula, we can find out the roots of quadratic equation. Sir, how we can use it? First of all, we are here discussing discussing about the formula. The name is formula is Sridharacharya or quadratic formula in English. Here I am taking a question from the book. Question number 2. Second, question number 2, second. Quadratic equation is given 9x square plus 7x plus I think 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Students, look carefully. This is the quadratic equation. What I want to do? I want to find out its roots. Here it is the topic, so I can round here this. Factorization, yes, we already have learned how to find out the factorization and their roots, alpha and beta. After that, perfect squaring, yes, it is also previous video, it is completed. Now today, the method is Sridharacharya. Sir, what is this? Here comes a formula minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula is called Sridharacharya formula. Sir, where we pull the ABC here? Yes, no problem is there. This 9 coefficient of x square is equal to a. Coefficient of x is equal to b. We are in the beginning, we are continuously coefficient. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is the b, and normal number or only numbers they consider c, constant. So this one is c. Now we want to put this values of a, b, and c in this formula. But in the question, if they exist, condition applies there. First you check, you can get the answer or you cannot get the answer. Sir, how can we check? So partly, instead of using full, take this upper part, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. This portion is called discrimination. discriminant. This is b square minus 4ac. This is the taken from this part. This is the whole formula, Sridharacharya, or this is the part. This part, name given in your book. Name given in your book, Sridharacharya. Complete name is there, and the part. And the part b square minus 4ac discrimination. Discriminant, decide, then we solve this part only. So we have three results. Because I am standing here, I want to explaining, we can find the roots. This is the exist or not exist. So in three condition is there. First of all, if I solve b square minus 4ac, or it is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. Sir, we cannot understand. It means answer is any positive number. Answer will be any. I want to place if I solve this b square minus 4ac greater, this is the sign of the greater, is 0. Sir, we cannot understand. No problem. Here try to understand this language. Answer will be any positive number greater than 0. At that time the answer will be real, distinct, and real. If we solve b square minus 4ac, the name of this is discriminant. We solve the discriminant, or we find any positive number 1, 2, 3, 7 upon 2, anything, but positive should be there. At that time our decision goes like this: greater than 0, answer will be positive number, any positive number. At that time distinct and real root is there. Real root is there. The second position, if we solve b square minus 4ac, we got any negative. Answer will become negative. No real root. No real roots. There is no necessary to solve the further. Second condition. Now third, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Neither positive nor negative. At that time, yes, answer will be 0. Two equal, equal, equal roots. So first of all, if question is given and method is also given, solve the question quadratic equation and find its 0 by the Sridharacharya, and condition apply is there. If exist, so first of all we want to check we can do is solve or it is not. So this formula, discriminant formula lead us three ways. First of all, if we solve b square minus 4ac, so positive number is there, yes, distinct and real root. Negative number is there, there is no necessity to solve the question further. Directly you can write there is no real. And b square minus 4ac is 0, yes, distinct and real root, but both should be equal. This is the way. Now this is the question. I want to first of all I want to check which condition is there. First one, second one, or maybe third one. Come here, the take formula b square minus 4ac. Come with me. b square minus 4ac. Put the values. Come in this. I am from here. Yes, I am from here. 9x square. In place of a, I will put 9. B is the 7. 7 square minus 4 into 9 into minus 2. Here 749 is there. Here positive. Sir, how I get positive? This is negative and this is negative. 9 4 are 36 and 72. 9 4 are 36 or here 72. Number is here 9 1 10 12. This is the number. Student, look carefully. It is positive. Come here again. B square minus 4AC greater than 0. If you understand this sign or you cannot understand, try to learn this. It will be any positive number. 121 is the positive number. So my result, I reached on a result distinct and real root. So I put the all values in the Sridharacharya. Here is the half done. Half question is already done. It is decision. This exists the roots, real root or not? Yes, it exists real root. Sir, how can you say that? So simple is there. First you solve b square minus 4ac. So how can we get the ABC? It is last 7 or 8 video is there. So coefficient of x square is a, x is b, and only constant number is the c. Put the values. I got 121 equal to b square minus 4. It is positive. So this quadratic equation have real and distinct and real root. Now I erase it or I do we further remaining part of this question. Look carefully. Here I got this. Now it is not necessary for me. This is also not necessary. This is also not necessary. This is the step only deciding which type of answer we can get if we are doing the solve this. This is also, but one thing is there. B square minus 4ac is equal to 1 to 1. I got. Now I will take this and put these values. Minus b. Where is the minus b? 7 plus minus. Yeah, you do like this. First, I will be take positive. Root is there. 121 upon 2 into 9. You can understand where from I get the values. Look, b is the here. Sir, minus my Sridharacharya formula already have negative. So here is negative. Sir, positive, negative. We will solve 2 times. One time we will take here positive or one time we will take here negative. Sir, why? Because the answer of under root is considered positive and negative both. So we also do this formula 2 times. One time inside I will take the positive, one time I will take the negative. Sir, how can you go to 121? My children, my student, just in front of you I solving this b square and so I get this. Now under root of here 1 to 1, from 2 not possible, from 3 not possible, 5 not possible, 7 not possible. So come here 11 ja and again 11 ja. So here 11 into 11. So answer is positive or negative 11. The answer of under root is also considered positive or negative both. So one time we will take the positive and one time we will take the negative. Now come here, minus 7 plus 11 upon 18. Here 4 upon 18. Same table is there, 2 upon 9. This one, alpha, 2 upon 9. Sir, where is beta? Yes, same procedure is there. Now taking the value of x in negative, taking negative come here, minus 7, minus 14, sorry, minus 11, 18. So minus 18 upon 18, same number, same, minus 1. This is the beta. This is the beta, minus 1. So I got alpha is equal to 2, comma, beta is equal to minus 1. Beta is equal to minus 1. In short, only 3 steps are there. You try to learn this. You try to learn this. Sridharacharya formula is there. Distinction. This is the part of this. First of all, we take the values. This is the continuously I am connected with you. Alphabet ABC. The value or coefficients is x is called A. Coefficient of x is called B, and only constant number is called C. Sir, we will put the direct this first of all b square minus 4ac. The part you solve this, it will be made too easy. So then we solve it, we get the 3 positions. We will get 3 position. Positive number, real and distinct rule. Negative number, no real root. 0 to equal roots. So here I got 121, and further you should take the square root by division method. If you know, if you do not know, at that time take by factorization. So answer is 9. One time positive and one time negative. So here alpha and beta, 2 roots are there, real and distinct. Yes, look, and I will go in the further question. Same topic, same question. I change the part of the question only. Yes, I want to use this part, so I also erase this. You go in the previous part of the video and you check. Yes, here I am taking a question. If you would there in front of me, I ask to you, we can do it or this not. So I am taking other questions. Question number 1, 2's 1. Here is 2x square minus 2 root 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Student, as you know, we want to solve it. Yes, sir, we want to solve it. By which method? Sridharacharya. Sir, we don't know Sridharacharya. Just I am explaining here. Sridharacharya, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac. Learn it upon 2a. So first of all, if exist, condition applies there. So I want to check, I will completely solve it or I will not do solve it. 2 condition is there. So first of all, part discriminant b square minus 4ac. Put the values b minus 2 root 2 square. 4 a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Look, sir, from where you get these values? You look carefully. A, this is the A. In place of A, 2 is there, this one A. This complete is B. So in place of B, 4 will become from the formula or A. Here. Now I want to solve this. Look, 2 into root 2 and again this is the square is there. So square is 2 is 4. Square 2 is 4 and square 2. Previous you look root 2 into root 2. So answer is 2. Again 2. So total number is 8. Clear cut. You look root 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is square. We will square of this one or square of this one, both. This should be square and also write their product. This is square is 4. This is square 2 or write their product is 8. So this side is 8. Sir, positive or negative? In the multiplication, square of any number, it will be positive or it will be negative. Answer is always positive. 8 minus 4 to the 8 is equal to 0. So here this one is the 0. Our discriminant goes to the zeros. So one is clear. Two real roots. Two real roots. Sir, what we can do? Now you put the value of this value of 0. Now complete number taking here. I am putting the value of all A, B, C which I got here. Yes, minus B. Where is the B? Minus 2 root 2. This is the B. This is the B from here. Positive. First I will take 0. Sir, how can we take 0? Look, B square minus 4AC I got 0 from here. So put the value directly. And downside 2 into A. 2 from formula or A into from here. So here come minus 2 root 4. 0. Positive is there. So 0 is have no any role in this. So here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Root 2 upon 2. We can write this, my students. We never write under root number in numerators. So we will avoid this. Now further is there root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. This is the factor of 2. These two number are the factor of this one and this one. So answer is 1 upon root 2. Alpha is also 1 upon root 2 and beta is also 1 upon root 2. Sir, how can you decide both should be equal? Students, look, if the value of B square minus 4AC goes to zeros, so there are two equal roots like this. So simple is there. So how many question is there? There are approximately 8 question is there. I look, yes, only 6 question is there. 1 and 2 done by me. 3, 4, 5. This is the 4, 5 you can do, and 6, 4th you can do. Here is a 3. I want to set this question. Question number 3. I want to write it and make the reset for your easiness. For your easiness. For you, for your practice, first done by me, repeat again. Second, done by me, repeat again. Third, sir, how can we use this? X, 1 plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. This x, all numbers multiply by x. X, 1 upon x into x minus 3 into x, 3 and 0 into x. Here, x square plus 1 minus 3x barabar 0. Write down x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, put the value in the discriminant or do it. This is the simplest form of this. You have problem in this, so I solve it half. This is half only. It is for you, for your practice. In the further question 6, you take the LCM or do the same. Now, 3 question is there in the vertical form. First, vertical form. I will change here question. Question 2 is completed. Now I am taking question number 3. Yes, I am reading here. Listen, or you have book. Look into the book. Find 2 consecutive positive odd numbers. Find 2 consecutive odd number is short is there. This is our question. Where is the clue? Sum of whose square? CLUE. This is the clue. Yeah, this is the clue. We can use this. Sum of whose square? Sum of whose SQUARE. Square is 290. This is the question. Question given in vertical. Question given in vertical. X. So first of all, we want to create the coordinate equation. Sir, how come here? Consecutive word is there. Any two continuous numbers is called consecutive, like 100. Consecutive is 100 is 101. Consecutive is 7 is 8. Consecutive is 10 is 11. This is the word. Shows two continuous number is called consecutive. Here, odd number. Odd means one is 1. Next one is gap is there. 2 is not there because odd. Odd I get 3. Again one gap is there. So here is two numbers, but they have the gap of 1. So we can consider them odd number. Sir, how? Let the first number be x. I am solving this question. Yes. Solution. Let the FIRST first number be x. It is the odd. Second number is x plus 1. No. 1 is gap. It will be x. X plus 1. Continue number is there. X plus 1. Next number is there. Or x plus 2. Next number is there. If we want to odd, we cannot take this. If odd is there, 1 between number is totally disappear or gap is there. So we cannot this. So our two number x and x plus, if let the first number be x, so another number be x plus 2. These are two consecutive odd numbers. These are two. If x is odd, x plus 2 is odd. If x is even, x plus 2 is even. Both. You imagine odd number, same is there. You imagine even number, same is there. Because the result will become according to the x. X is odd, x plus 2 is also odd. X is even, x plus 2 is also even. In both condition, two consecutive even number or two consecutive odd number, x and x plus 2. There is squares. Sum of, now come here clue. Sum of whose square. Whose, here is their relative, x square plus x plus 2 square. If we try that, 290. Here is a question. Sir, how can write this? My students, look clue. Come in clues. Clues are the hints. By taking the hints, we try to solve the questions. The math question is also given and solution and hints is also given to solve this. It is not as the other subject. So here clue, sum of whose square. Whose means this number or this number, their sum. This one, here come a plus b's whole square. If you learn a plus b's whole square so many times, a square plus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, we put the x. In place of b, we write the 2. Now come here. I am solving directly. X square plus again x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 290. X, this one. Category is same. 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 is equal to 0. Here 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. Now this is divided by 2. This one is divided by 2. This one is divided by 2. This one is divided by 2. So x square plus 2x minus 143 barabar 0. Sir, what we can do? You have the formula. First you solve the b square minus 4ac and put the ABC and find out the number. So simple is there. b square, first of all, b square minus 4ac. Here, take the part b square minus 4ac. b, where is the b? This 2 is there. 2 square minus 4 into a. Where is a? A is the 1. And where is the c? 143. 4 minus, this is also negative. So result will be positive. 4 3 is 12. 4 4 is 16. 5. Just a minute. Here, if you put in this, you want to get square root of 576. Sir, how we can get this? I will help you in this. Yes, further there is no necessity to do this. Here, values is come here minus b. Where is the b? 2, 1 positive and negative. 576 upon 2 into a. Nothing is there. Here, answer of this, one time you take the positive and next time you take the negative. Sir, but we have a problem. How can we get the square root of 576? Come with me. What I can do? Factorization method and come here. 5 7 6. This is the even. So by 2, 2 2 is 4, 1. Here is the 8. 1 again 8. Again 2, 1 4 4. Again 2, 72. Again 2, 3 6. Again 2, 18 is there. Again 2, 9 is there. Again 3, 3 is there. 3 is there, 1 is there. Now 1 2 3 4. Take one digit in each pair. 2 into 2, 4, 8, 8 3 is 24. So here in this place, root 576, you can write 24. This is the way find out the square root. The numbers, they have complete square only. Complete square not is there, you will be go to the other method called division method. This is done by me. Sir, it is complete question. It is not a complete question. Just from here. Now from here you want to solve and find alpha and beta. It is done by me only half as your guidance. I give you guidance how can you reach this number. Now further 2 question is there. I will help you write in the algebraic form only. Do yourself. Come with me. Yes. Yes. Here our exercise is completed. I am taking question number 3 is complete. Now question number 4. Algebraic form. Only. Yes, come with me. The difference of square of 2 numbers. One square is x, other is y. So answer is 45. This is the first clue. Second clue, x square is equal to 4x. X square is equal to 4x or y square. So we can write y square is equal to 4x. So you can write this. Sir, how can you got? I am also reading this. The difference of square of 2 number is 45. Here difference. One number is the x square. No, x or y, both square. Here I got 45. Second clue is there. Square of smaller number is 4 times the larger. Smaller y is the smaller. The square of 4 times. So y square replaced by 4x. X square minus 4x. Put this side minus 45 is equal to 0. Now what you can do? Put in the formulas and find out the values. Now question number 5. Yes. Divide 16 into 2 part. Tough language is there. Read with me. Divide 16 into 2 parts such that 2 times of the square of larger part is the 160 more than the smaller. Come here. 16 2 part. If larger be x, smaller 16 minus x. Now what is the relation? Double of square of larger, it's 2x square is equal 16 minus x square. This is the this is bigger and this is smaller. So we want to put something difference of these two. Difference is, how much is the difference? Is 164. So 164 you put here plus 164. Now here a square, a plus, sorry, a minus b ka square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Open like this and set this and put into the here. This exercise is completed. Students, if you are watching this video continuously, try to do yourself, and the questions they are already done by me. Abrar ji, aa jao. That already done by me. You try to repeat them, and at that time some questions only done by half, because the same way, same method they have put the values into the formula, Sridharacharya. So how can we get? In the question number 4, algebraic form is this: x square minus y square is 45, y square is equal to 4. Replace here, you got this. A 1 is there, b minus 4, c this, a 4 square minus discriminant. By discriminant you got the number and solve the 5 is there, 16 we want to divide in 2 part. In a particular condition applies there, larger is x, if smaller is this one. So what is the relation between the smaller and the greater? Is twice of square of greater. Twice of square is greater. Is the greater this smaller? They are not equal. This is smaller, so I put here 64. Number is given. Thank you very much. Yes, have a good day. Try to read, try to study, use your time properly. It will make you intelligent of a person who use the time properly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also give the blessing to him, because time is the namat towards the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So use it properly. Assalamu alaikum. Allah. आजाओ साहब, बंद कर दो इसको.